What's up guys, this is the Transferring Gundam. I just wanted to record a quick video doing another toy hunt. I know I just did one recently, but Hobby Lobby has been going crazy, man. I've been telling you, they have been stocking new kits. Like from the last time that I did the toy hunt, they have started carrying more master grades, notably the master grade Sinanju. And then other people have reported seeing other kits as well, such as the high grade Kshatriya. And I'm trying to think what else. The main thing was the Kshatriya and the master grade Sinanju. So I figured I would go take a look and see if they have any of those kits. I don't think my location has this Kshatriya yet, but one of my friends on Instagram did reach out to me saying that the location that I went to during my last toy hunt actually had the master grade Sinanju and the master grade Gundam the Origin, but they only had two of these Sinanjus, and he did buy one of them, so there's only one left. So hopefully we'll go see if it's still there. If not, then I'll probably get either the Origin RX-78 or the real grade RX-78, since you already have the Sharzaku 2, so I figured the real grade RX-78 would go good with that, especially for 40% off. You can't go wrong. So hopefully this will be a successful toy hunt. If not, then you might not even see this video, but if it is, then that means that hopefully they had something good for me to post. So anyways, let's go check it out right now, and let's just hope they still have some good stuff. Okay, just got to Hobby Lobby. Honestly, it does look a bit crowded, so let's hope for the best. But I just wanted to update you on some of the kits that people have been spotting at Hobby Lobby. Some people have spotted seeing the high-grade Panoply as well as the high-grade Kshatriya, which are two really cool kits, really big high-grade kits, as well as, of course, Master Grade Eclipse, Gundam the Origin Master Grade Sinanju, and some newer high-grade kits as well. The main thing I'm looking for is just the Master Grades and the Rare Grades. Still looking for that Rare Grade Zeong. But yeah, I think that's about it for the newer kits that people have been spotting. So a couple new high grade kits, so a few new master grade kits. Oh, and also the master grade Dynamis. I forgot to mention that as well. Sony actually spotted a Dynamis at Hobby Lobby. So anyways, let's go see what they have. All right guys, so here we are. And as you can see, bam, check it out. They have it. The last master grade Sinanju, and they have multiple of the Gundam the Origin master grade kits, so plenty of these to go around. This is priced at $47.99, and the Sinanju is priced at $69.99. Taking out some of the other newer kits, they have the Real Grade Sharzaku 2, Real Grade Zeta, which is a new kit for Hobby Lobby. And then as for high grades, I don't think I've seen this guy before. The Gundam Live Lance Heaven. And then of course they have the Real Grade Exia, and behind that is the Real Grade Wing Zero Custom. No Real Grade RX-78. Last time I saw they had like 3 of those, so I guess those sold out, which is good to see. Other than that though, looks like it's mostly the same stuff, but we scored big, guys. I'm gonna have to splurge out and get this kit, especially for 40% off. Can't go wrong. All right guys, I'm back from Hobby Lobby, and as you can see by this big box, of course, I had to buy it. The Master Grade Sinanju. So yeah, this is a kit I've been wanting for a long time. Actually, ever since I started building when I was younger, I always thought that Sinanju looked so cool. And I remember seeing pictures of this master grade here, which came out in 2013, by the way. I started building around 2011, so after I've been building for a few years. The master grade Sinanju was always one of those kits that I wanted to build, but I just, never bought it because I always thought it was going to be just like a super complicated and hard build. But now, I mean, Hobby Lobby of all places, like that was the last place I would expect to have this kit, but I had to buy it, and especially for the price. Let me just show you here. Let me just cover up all of my card information, but as you can see, that $45. Like, you cannot beat that price. So yeah, super happy. Finally a successful toy hunt. So anyways, go check your local Hobby Lobby. Let me know what they have. I would go today. You know, if you are in the United States, it is Labor Day, so why not go today? And, you know, if you're not working, check out Hobby Lobby. And let me know if they have any of the kits that I mentioned earlier. It seems like they're always updating their stock with new kits every day. People constantly just updating pictures of kits that, you know, I haven't seen before at Hobby Lobby. This being one of them. So yeah, super excited for this. I'll definitely do an unboxing at some point. And I'm thinking of maybe doing a Let's Build. But if I do, I'm thinking I'll do it in sections instead of like a one super long Let's Build. Just to make it more digestible for you as a viewer. And also just so I won't having to, you know, build this whole giant kit in one sitting, which honestly, I don't really have that much time. So I'm thinking I'll do like a video just building the arms, a video building the head and chest, then another video building the legs and waist, and then maybe a video doing like the backpack and weapons. So it'll be like a 4 or 5 part series of building this kit. Let me know if you're interested in that. Because I think that'd be a really cool video series to do. And also, just wanted to update you guys real fast on the R78 F00 high mobility type. I finished building the main body here, so here it is without any of the fancy high mobility armor yet. Honestly, the build itself was pretty uneventful. Like, it's not a bad kit, it just wasn't really anything amazing. Like, if you built, you know, any modern high-grade kit, you kind of know what to expect with this. Not bad, just not anything spectacular. But I do love the colors, and I do love all of the details. I will definitely panel line that. So yeah, stay tuned. Maybe I'll finish doing this guide today. I'm not too sure yet. But for now, that's all it for me. Finally, a successful toy hunt. Always a good feeling when you find exactly what you're looking for. So yeah, as I said, go check your Hobby Lobby. Let me know what they have in the comments below. And yeah, hopefully you guys will also have a successful toy hunt and find many cool Gundam kits at Hobby Lobby. An extra 40% off. Go check. Can't beat that price. I think they do that bi-weekly. So every other week, you can always check on the Hobby Lobby website. They'll tell you what weekly deals they got going on. But this week, they do have the 40% off back. So go check it out. Anyways, guys, that's what it for me. Don't forget to give this video a like. Leave me a comment, as I said, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you see any cool kits that you want to let me know that your Hobby Lobby had in stock. Definitely interested in hearing to see what you guys have. And don't forget to, of course, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I do want to try to go back to making one video a week. I'll have to see if I can stick by that, but I think that might be manageable. We'll have to see. Because hopefully by next week I'll be finished with this kit, so I'll do a review on that. If not, then I'll probably just do an unboxing of this kit next week, and we'll just go from there. So anyways, stay tuned. Don't forget to join the Discord as well. As always, link in the description below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.